Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is an outstanding idea for mail. This is from my good friends at Bolger in Minneapolis, and this is for client Tommy Hilfiger. This is a kind of a birthday mailing. They do a couple drops of this a month, about 10,000 mailers per drop, and this is just, it's so brilliant. I think you're gonna love it. I have two versions to show you, a larger one and a smaller one. This is the larger one. These are both folded self mailers. This one, here's the back panel, so that's where the address goes. It actually looks a lot like an envelope because it has a little flap right here. You open the flap and then fold it down, and there's this little short, about an inch flap right here that's glued down, and then attached to that is two coupons. Hope you can kind of see how this works. So the coupons are basically, they're cut out with the exception of a little micro perf. So there's two coupons on this one. I love the focus. There's, you know, the bold imagery, but then just a strong focus on the coupons. These are also printed digitally and personalized as well for the recipient, which is great. These are on a 100-pound accent opaque cover. So just simple one-piece format, which I love. You don't have separate coupons tipping them on or anything like that. It's all one piece, and then they just fold this little flap and glue it on along the bottom. So here's the other one, and I love this little one just as much. So here's the mailing panel. This one also has a little window. I forgot to ask. I'm pretty sure that's for an address to show through, but I forgot to ask on that. So anyway, here's the cover, and it opens up, and there's one coupon. So they've got a little bit smaller version, no flap, just a classic two panel self mailer, and then there's the single coupon. Now I did start to take this one apart because I just wanted you to see how it's just one piece. So it's a little messy how I tore it up, but you can see here it's just this flap with the coupon, and then it's just glued up, folded up, and glued down like this, and folded down. And I love how the coupon almost kind of starts to stand out as you're opening it. So the production and manufacturing on this is really clever, and with the sides already torn out, it's like you're just asking that person to take that last little effort and tear that micro perf and get the coupon off. So just brilliant mail. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Simple, glued, folded self-mailer. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, style lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.